Hello, traders. Today I'm going to talk about pivot points. Okay, so I believe that you guys are already aware about these pivot points. If not, you can search on Google. So what pivot points are actually? Most of the traders, many traders around the globe, including institutional level traders, do they uh, take help of pivot points? Pivot point itself, I believe, in my opinion, it's not itself a it's very hard, to trade with only pivot points. However, if you wish, you can do so. But most of the people do use this pivot point as an additional tool in your chart. Okay. So what I mean to say additional tool is that, let's say, this is the chart of GBP USD and the MACD by default here. So what happens normally, right? So this the red line, okay. So these lines went above from the 0 point, okay. So normally you buy. That is what the basic rule of the MACD. But if you want to know additional surety, so you would wait, because at this point you see price just like up and down, and maybe up here this candle crossed the pivot line, okay, and also MACD signal for buy. You could have bought here, okay. So guys, I would like to mention here, this is not the exact strategy. This is just an idea then that this pivot point can be extra advantage, okay, when to get in and to get out. Excuse me. Another example here. So there's no indicator, only pivot points here, Euro USD pair. So normally what happens, okay, so one second. Whenever the price, let's say, crosses the pivot points and the next candle then went down, okay, so keep on down here. And this is the news, guys, so we will ignore this at all, right? So here you see the candle crosses below this pivot line. So the price next candle also crosses the touch here, and this candle also crosses, and the price went down up here, okay. Here is the price not sure where to go, and then finally it breaks above, then next candle, okay, bullish, then it price went till here. Again, one more thing, not all the time the prices will move, to the direction if the prices candle breaks, but most of the time, let's say 60 or 70% of the time, right? But not all the time. Okay, and guys, if you are a day trader or a scalper, right, so this can be useful tool along with your own, let's say, you may have coded your own indicator, or you may have used the by default with MT4 and 5 indicators. But for if you are a swing or position trader and you hold your position for weeks and months, then definitely not useful for you guys. And one more thing, if you like a trading kind of hedging, sort of like that, then again, this tool is not good for, okay. And again, this is just an idea, guys, that pivot points can also be a useful tool, all right. And lastly, I would like to mention here that during the news, these lines are not honored at all. Definitely not. Okay. So guys, this was all about pivot points. I'll come again with the next video.